Are you tired of watching others make money from AI? While you're stuck on the sidelines? Do you ever wonder, what if the next big AI tool could make you cash? From day one? Without coding? Without huge startup costs? Without hype? Today, I'm about to reveal it. A brand new AI business model. Quietly making beginners rich. Ordinary people. Starting with almost nothing. And turning it into something real. Watch till the end. Because I'll show you the exact tool. The one that made me $100. Fast. Simple. Repeatable. You'll think it's too good to be true. But stay with me, because by minute 5, you'll see proof. And you'll see steps you can copy. So let's dive in. Let me ask you something. Have you ever clicked an AI money video and felt disappointed? Smoke and mirrors. Hype without substance. This one is different. Why? Because this AI isn't just another chatbot. It isn't just another gimmick. It's a full business in a box. Ready for beginners. With 3 simple steps. Step 1. Pick a micro niche. Don't go broad. Don't say, AI services, go laser targeted. Like AI for dog trainers. Or AI for dentists. Or AI for yoga studios. Smaller is better. Why? Because you stand out. You become the only choice. Step 2. Use a hidden AI tool. Not ChatGPT. Not just image generators. A hybrid AI platform. Combining text, design, and automation. All in one. Step 3. Package it into something small. Something irresistible. Like 5 AI-made social posts. Plus captions. Plus graphics. For $49. Or $99. Easy yes. High value. That's the playbook. Now let's unpack it. Back to the micro niche. Why does it matter? Because people trust specialists. A yoga studio wants a yoga expert. Not a generic marketer. By narrowing down, you instantly become credible. Then the tool does the heavy lifting. What tool? I'll reveal it shortly. But know this. It automates content. Ads. Graphics. Even funnels. All with a few clicks. While others waste time, you're producing results. Clients notice. That's your secret weapon. Then comes packaging. Keep it simple. Don't overwhelm clients. Offer something quick. Affordable. Easy to buy. Like a starter kit. Once they say yes, upsell them. Turn $49 into $200. Or $300. On repeat. Here's a case study. I picked pet groomers. Generated sample ads. With images. With captions. With branding. Sent it out. Client loved it. Paid me $49. Then asked for more. I upsold a monthly plan. Suddenly, $49 became $300. Recurring. That's leverage. That's momentum. That's AI business. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Because I share tools like this every week. Let's continue. The tool I used is still under the radar. Few people know about it. Even fewer use it. That's your advantage. It's called AI Content Suite XA Hidden Gem. All in one. Prompts, templates, automation, Libraries. Everything. Let me show you. First trick. Use niche starter packs. Load fitness trainer pack. Swap words. Done. Second trick. Clone a client's best posts. Feed them in. Get improved versions. Deliver better content. Fast. Third trick. Save templates per niche. Build a library. Scale effortlessly. Worried about quality? Use edit mode. Polish outputs. Add personality. Clients will love it. Next step, retainers. Offer monthly AI content. Stable income. Clients prefer consistency. By month 2, you're stacking revenue. Now let's talk objections. Is it saturated? No, not if you choose micro niches. Is it free? Some features are. Premium is worth it. ROI is fast. What if clients reject it? Revise. Improve. Build trust. What if you're not techie? Doesn't matter. This tool is beginner friendly. Click. Type. Swap words. Done. Let me show a demo. Step 1. Pick niche. Example, local cafes. Step 2. Load starter pack. Step 3. Hit generate. Boom. Posts. Graphics. Captions. Delivered. 10 minutes. $49 earned. Scale that up. Across niches. Or outsource. Magic comes from automation. And focus. That's the mode. Recap. Step 1. Micro niche. Step 2. Secret AI tool. Step 3. Starter offer. Then upsell, then retainer. Simple. Repeatable. Proven. And I promised you the tool. It's AI Content Suite X, link in description. Bonus prompts included. For subscribers only. So check it out. Apply today. Build your first client offer. Collect your first $1. Then your first 100. Then your first 1,000. That's the path. And I'm here every step. Like. Subscribe. Hit the bell. I drop these AI money tools every week. Stay ahead of the curve. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. You don't want to miss it. Drop a comment. Tell me your first niche. Or your first result. I'll reply. I'll help. I'll guide. This is your time. Your AI wave. Don't wait. Don't overthink. Just act. Test it today. One niche. One tool. One offer. One client. And you're in. See you tomorrow.